Woo! Who knew JB Jordan brand would release such an exclusive shoe? But only overseas? But that ain't no problem though.
Nope.
Ain't no problem. Ain't no thing because I got them guys, man. So let's talk about them. YouTube. It's good with it, man. Fam we back, man. We back like we ain't never left, y'all. What's good with it, man? Your boy Jay is here to give y'all some more of this daily sneaker content, man. This is where you gotta just let it all go, you know what I'm saying? Forget about everything going on in the world. If you had a bad day, bro, cheer up, bro. Tomorrow's a new day. I'm here to make you smile. I'm here to bring positivity into your life, man. Thumbs it up, man. Look, thumbs it up, positive energy, positive vibes, man. Look, man, we talking shoes today, and look, what better than a new pair of shoes to look at, to know about, to possibly get your hands on? So that's what I'm here to do, man. It's your boy Jay. If this is your first time rocking out and checking out the channel, you know what I'm saying? Look, this is we do shoes over here, and we do a little flyness. You know, we might do a slight flyness. Speaking of flyness, y'all like the cap. You know what I'm saying? You like the cap, you like the tee. Pause. But anyways, yes, this is y'all first time rocking out, man. I would love for y'all to stick around, join the family, hit that subscribe button down below, man. Don't be afraid of that button. Hit that subscribe button. Trust me, whenever I pop up on your timeline, I'm here to make you smile, bro. I'm here to make your day brighter. I'm here to give you positive energy, positive vibes. So hit the subscribe button, y'all, as well as make sure y'all thumbs it up. And if you do hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Let me know that you are new so I can respond back. Look, I like to communicate with everybody, every member of the family. If you have never left a comment, drop a comment down below. Let me like, hey, I've been around, Jay. I've been here. I'm going to talk back to y'all, man. So appreciate y'all for all that y'all do, always coming through, leaving comments, hitting the thumbs up, and engaging with the content, man. Trust me, it goes a lot further than you guys think. So very appreciative of the family that we have built throughout the years, man. But yeah, man, shoes today, man. We got some early kicks that released last month, but it's one of them like quiet, you know what I'm saying, heater shoes. Your boy did end up securing a pair of these, and I'm gonna let y'all know how and how you guys can, you know what I'm saying, come across shoes like these, early shoes, whatever it may be that you guys want. So buckle up and let's talk shoes, man. So first things first, like I told you guys, I'm gonna give y'all a drop. I'm gonna let y'all know where you can get shoes such as these. It is no secret, the cat is out of the bag, y'all. Look, Secret Sauce, y'all. Secret Sauce is the #1 leading Discord group out there, man, that gives you guys tons of informative information, password, early links, auto checkouts, legit checks. I mean, bruh, it's a lot going on over there. You guys just gotta tap in and check out for yourself. But yes, y'all, it is a Discord, and it is a Discord that a lot of people are trying to join, y'all. It does have a wait list, but I gotta tell y'all real quick before I get into the details of it, you can bypass the wait list simply with my link down below in the description, y'all. That's the only way you can get in instantly, y'all. It's, like I said, look, it's something that you kind of gotta get in and figure out and, you know, like explore for yourselves, because me telling y'all, bruh, it's just so much more to it. It's like it's its own little realm over there, you know what I'm saying? But yes, your boy Jay did go to the marketplace area over there, and one of the sellers over there did have these in my size, so I did cop. They do have a marketplace where you can get early shoes, past shoes, and of course everything is 100% legit. And speaking of legit, they do offer legit checks. So if you guys buy shoes outside of the platform, they walk you through, you know, things to look for. It's a lot, y'all. So they do have 3 membership choices, y'all. Of course, it is a membership where you can get into an essential plan, a premium plan, or an elite plan, y'all. Of course, the elite plan is its more advanced plan where it is meant for members who were premium members. It gives them the upgrade to unlock everything over at Secret Sauce, y'all. I am an elite member officially, so I do enjoy the perks of everything that the group allows access to, y'all. So I do have access to 1 guaranteed retail pair of shoes per month, y'all, which I'm very excited about. You know, I can get me a Travis Scott or an exclusive dunk, anything that might be limited. I'm guaranteed 1 shoe like that per month for retail, man. So that's actually pretty dope. But all the other members, of course, premium and elite, it does give you early links before they go out on Twitter, and it gives you password codes, and it's a whole lot, y'all, man. So take the time, if you guys have any time to check out Secret Sauce, I do have the link down below. I would recommend you start off as an essential member and then you can work your way up. But a lot of perks over there, man. If you guys want to build up a collection, if you guys want to, you know, rack up on some bucks, y'all, they do help you get pairs of shoes, you know what I'm saying? Turn them L's into W's, y'all. So definitely tap in with Secret Sauce. Of course, the link is the only way you can get in. Otherwise, you'll be waiting a few months or so to get into, of course, the Discord. So tap in Secret Sauce. Your boy Jay's link is down below. That's the only way you can get in instantly. And like I said, man, I do have the marketplace. You can get shoes such as this and several others, man. So put my stamp on it as always. If you guys have any questions about the group, all you got to do is DM them or open up a ticket. They'll walk you through it, y'all. So tap in and yeah, your boy Jay stamps it as always. But let's see what your boy did pick up from over there, and let y'all know my thoughts on him. Whew. Appreciate you. Bang! So like I did say briefly in the intro, y'all, this shoe did not release here where I am in the US. This was an overseas exclusive, which every year, I don't think any shoes, well, it might have been a couple years where these did release in the States. I want to say like in cities such as Chicago, but I really don't see these in my areas. But this is, of course, a K54 release, y'all. K54 is a basketball tournament. It's a huge basketball tournament in Sandy Pierre. Y'all, please use Google, because I'm a throw y'all for a loop, you know what I'm saying? But it is a huge basketball tournament where Jordan Brand does commemorate them with making a basketball shoe each and every year. I also got another pair of K54s I'll be showing y'all in this video. But yeah, it's pretty much a basketball tournament. But take a look at the box, y'all. Details on it. It does have a bunch of cues on it, man. Well, cues, that's basketballs, I'm tripping. It got basketballs on it. You do got a Q in the form of a basketball. That is the Q54 logo. And it looked like you got 3 lines, man, for Jordan 3. So definitely a dope looking box, of course, you know. 3 and size tag on this one. And it is actually I was about to say it was a 3/4 box, but it's a half and half box on this one. So split. But size tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Q. Color blocking is Summit White off Nor. And this is a size mine. Size mine. So I did get a size mine in this shoe. And yes, sir. Got them on deck right here, man. So popping open the box lid on this one, y'all. No lot number, no anything, y'all. It's just plain. I can see the welt up of course, the Q and the Jumpman logo on the top of the lid. Yeah, I don't care about that. Inside the box, though, does have a white and green sticker, y'all. You can kind of see it right down there. White and green sticker inside the box. Had to point that out. And shoe paper, the wax paper, has the same type of basketball logos in that triangle that the outside of the box had. And outside of that, moving the paper, we got the Jordan 3 K54s, y'all. Whew. Whew. Bang! So K54 Jordan 3s, y'all. Of course, overseas exclusive. Shout out to, you know, I be listening to y'all. That's why I tell y'all to comment. A few of y'all was like, Jay, man, we want to see the K54s on the channel. Y'all ask and y'all shall receive, because that's what I'm here for, bro. This is what I do. So, you know, I had to bring these over here to the channel. But these first impressions, they look a little cheaper than I expected, as far as it's just the hits of course, where you normally will have like an elephant print or cement. Where they put the all black, that kind of looks cheap. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It makes the shoe kind of look cheap. Look more premium through pictures and stuff online, but these aren't bad, man. These aren't half bad at all. But K54 Air Jordan 3s officially size mine in the collection. Bang! There you have them, y'all. Definitely a clean pair of 3s, y'all. Like I said, this black hit around the toe box area, around the back. It's just a suede is what it is. It's a black suede on there, and it kind of looks cheap to me, you know what I'm saying? But the shoe overall, it's nice, man. It has like leather of a Jordan 1, y'all. This is the type of leather I seen on Jordan 1s. If you guys know, you know, but it's not like the regular Jordan 3 type leather, and it's soft, nice little soft leather, you know what I'm saying? I'm seeing some details on the toe box. We got some widow's peaks. Some widow's peaks right there on the toe box at the bottom. And I like the color contrast on these. I definitely like the color contrast. Got a splash of blue on the tongue. Of course, the Jumpman, the K54 logo. Definitely think that's dope. I don't know how I feel about this, though. I don't know how I feel about this. Not that it looks bad or anything, y'all. It's just, if you guys know, you know what I'm saying? Similar to the Jordan 3 fragments, y'all. It does have the clear back tab, and I gotta bring the fragments into this conversation because this right here is gonna yellow fast, man. Even if I don't wear these shoes, y'all, that is gonna yellow, I want to say within the next 5 to 6 months, y'all. That's gonna start yellowing, so I gotta find a way to preserve these and try to slow down that yellowing. But yeah, it also has, of course, paper, y'all. Right there on the back tab, it does have the paper inserts that, of course, recent Jordan 3s have had. But yeah, these are clean, man. It does come with the warning, of course. I'm guessing that this type of material on the black areas will peel off of some sort. But yeah, it's pretty decent, man. And nice little details on it. If you take a look at the eyelets on it, you got that brownish color on the eyelets. They did the same thing on the outside lining of course, the suede around, of course, the front tab and of course the back area. So you got that nice little brown hit, as you can see, on the lips of all those black areas. So the color contrast on this is pretty dope, man. And these are clean, man. These are definitely clean. Jordan 3's top 3 silhouettes for me. I think that these are nice, man. And of course you do got your sail hits around the midsole. These are solid, y'all. These are definitely solid. I would say that these would be sitting if these released in the US. You know, I don't think people would appreciate these that much, but I'm a fan of it, y'all. They do come with an extra set of laces that I'm seeing. Is it blue? Like, what's going on? All right, here we go. My whole lace thing is unfolded, y'all, but it's white laces. So it does come with an extra spare pair of white laces, you can see right there. But I'm definitely gonna throw like some royal blue, some sport blue laces in here so I can kind of bounce off that tongue. Whoa. I think some blue laces is gonna look real dope in these. But nice detailing as well, y'all. Around the ankle collar area, you do got the Q54 logos, the basketballs, and of course the triangles that you do have on the box. You got that all throughout the interior sock liner area. Cool little touch, man, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not mad at them. Like I said, it kind of looks cheap with that black suede there, but I mean, it's not bad, y'all. It's definitely a clean pair of Jordan 3s, man. Comment down below. What are your thoughts on the K54 Jordan 3s? One of my biggest gripes is, of course, the clear back tab. Not that it's bad looking. It's just, it's gonna yellow. It looks good brand new. Looks good brand new, straight out the box, whatever. But you set these down for a little bit, man, those are gonna yellow up fast. But y'all let me know your thoughts on these. As promised, I told you guys I'm gonna show you another K54 that I have in my collection. I think I wore them one time, but yeah, man, they've been doing their things with the K54s. Bang! So here is the K54 Jordan 1 lows, y'all. If you guys remember these released, I want to say maybe 3 years ago, y'all. And this was a banger, y'all. They did their thing with these, exposed tongue on these. Of course, the K54 type branding as far as the pattern on the toe box and the side panel. More K54 branding on the back. These are tough, man. So, you know, I'm not mad at what they've been doing with the K54s. And of course, Jordan 3 wise, we've seen the all black Jordan 3 K54s, of course, like the colorful joints. But I don't own those, you know. I just own, of course, the ones. Look at the leather around that ankle collar, y'all. Good premium leather on this shoe. Definitely a clean pair, man. Not mad at it, but definitely glad that I did pick up these. Shout out to Secret Sauce. And yeah, if you guys want to cop any early shoes or anything like that, I suggest you guys tap into there and just check out what they have. But you see the outsoles kind of, you know, regular, nothing crazy on the bottom of the shoe, but these are nice, man. Definitely a nice pair. I think them blue laces are gonna pop. But that is it. Y'all let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. If these did release somewhere near you, would you have picked them up, y'all? Are you still gonna pick them up right now? I mean, prices aren't too high on them. You know, I got these for a fairly good price, you know, and I think prices will probably stay down for a little bit, maybe 2 years. I want to say about 2 years for these, y'all. It's not going, these prices are going to stay down for a little bit, but if you guys want them, definitely tap in. I'm sure they got them on StockX, sure they got them on GOAT, but yeah, K54 Jordan 3s, got them in the collection, got the quick little look of them in the books. That is it for this one. Y'all stay blessed. Let me know y'all feedback. Like I said, so hit that subscribe button, y'all. Hit the thumbs up, and I'm back at y'all tomorrow, man. These movies ain't gonna stop, y'all. So y'all be blessed. I'm gone. Hope I made y'all smile.